For a long-haul flight, it's important to stay comfortable, entertained, and prepared. Here's a list of essentials to bring. 1. Comfort essentials. A neck pillow supports your head and prevents neck strain while sleeping. A blanket or shawl keeps you warm, as planes often get cold. Compression socks improve circulation and reduce leg swelling. Eye masks and earplugs help block out light and noise for better rest. 2. Entertainment. Noise-canceling headphones block out distractions, letting you enjoy movies or music. Bring books, ebooks or audiobooks to stay entertained for hours. Magazines or puzzles can provide light, easy distractions. Preload your tablet or phone with entertainment in case the in-flight system isn't great. 3. Snacks and hydration. Pack snacks like granola bars, nuts, or fruit to stay energized. Bring a water bottle to stay hydrated, as airplane air is dry. Gum or mints help with ear pressure and freshen your breath. Electrolyte tablets or drinks can help prevent dehydration and fatigue. 4th, health and hygiene medications, both prescription and over-the-counter, should be easy to access. Tissues or wet wipes are useful for cleaning your hands and surfaces. A small toiletry kit with toothpaste and deodorant helps you feel fresh. Hand lotion keeps your skin hydrated in dry cabin air. 5. Travel documents. Keep your passport, boarding pass, and ID easily accessible. A travel wallet or pouch will help you stay organized. A pen is useful for filling out forms or customs declarations. Having your documents on hand reduces stress and speeds up your airport process. 6. Miscellaneous travel journal lets you jot down thoughts or plans during the flight. A small foldable bag can carry items you'll need upon arrival. Face masks may still be required by some airlines, so it's good to have one. These small items ensure you're prepared and comfortable throughout the journey. Having these items will make your journey much more enjoyable and help you arrive feeling refreshed.